It's your man, Bossgang, V.I.P, leader at Alphapack Trading. It's an honor to be back with you once again for the weekly Watchlist call. I wasn't able to get with you last week. Business call, things I got to take care of, right? I'm sure you understand. So I got some good information for you guys this week. Hopefully you got your pen and pads ready. I'm going to break some things down for you, and I'm going to help you understand how to trade stocks the right way and what to look for. Before I get into that, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, make sure you put them down below. Let me know. I'll get back to you. And if you need some content or you have any questions, I'll go ahead and get that done for you. So with that being said, I'm getting into the weekly watch list. October 24th. Last week was extremely bullish. We were able to catch the downside the previous week. We hit the lows. In Alphapack, we were able to identify those low levels before they occurred. And we even had pack members able to take SPY calls, 600, all the way for 2025, having confidence that we were getting in off the low. So there are a lot of things and a lot of information that we have that we try to share with our members so that they can be powerful independent traders. So coming into this week, I expect it to continue to be bullish the way that it has been. All the continuity is to the upside and things are coming off of a lot of reversals. So today, stick around. I'm going to be giving you some information on something that I see in the market that I really, really like. Late October, it's time to buy depressed stocks, especially tech stocks and small caps. We know we've had major sell-off in the market. As we know, even in downtrends, we can have some amazing bullish runs to the upside. So I'm definitely looking for things at a discount, and I'm trying to take advantage of the prices and the market conditions that currently exist. I'm not sure how long we're going to be bullish, but in the meantime, I'm going to take advantage of the opportunities that present themselves. So with that being said, we're going to do what we always do. We're going to find where the money resides. I'm going to get into my play because we're here to buy low, sell high. Let's see if I can help you guys make some money. So the stock I want to highlight this week is actually going to be Verizon Communications. In the pack, we have a member who loves Verizon. He loves to play it. Brick, we call it Brick Communications just to have fun. We like to put a little sauce on everything we do in Alphapack. Ticker symbol VZ. Interesting thing about Verizon has been really beat down lately. It is a communication stock in XLC. So I noticed some activity happening in XLC I was able to identify, but I just want to give you guys a little bit of information about Verizon. So Verizon is currently coming off of 10-year lows. The 10-year lows were at $34.55. Those the current ticker price is sitting at $35.35. The actual sector XLC, the average price per share is $54.19. And my thought process is that Global State Street advisors and the other institutional owners may see this as an opportunity to get some of their money back. Verizon pays a 7.3% dividend yield. The next payment is going to be $65 per 100 shares. Verizon has actually increased their dividend for the last 16 years straight. There has been a lot of insider selling, none recently. I was able to notice some patterns in the selling, and I see the executive vice president, Craig Silman. He likes to conduct a lot of these transactions, so he started selling off. The selling stopped September 7th. 2021. That's the last information I have when the selling stops. So I'm gonna be, paying attention to what he's doing, and if he starts to buy, then I'm going to buy as well. So he did a lot of selling. He was definitely active. So I'm going to keep my eyes on what he was doing. So with that being said, the overall stock is down 8.3% year to date. With dividends included, the stock is only down 1.87% year to date. So that's one of the reasons we encourage people to buy dividend stocks and hold on, because even if the value of the underlying asset goes down, as long as it's still paying you, and in Verizon's case, increasing the payments, as long as you can get in at a good price, it's definitely going to be worth it. So is this a good price? I'm going to get into some technicals, and we'll take a look. So I got everything written out. So let's take a look at this. So as far as entries, I'm looking for a 2-2-day on Verizon above $35.70. Of course, you guys know me. I'm Mr. Buy Low, Sell High. I always want to get the best entries. So if I can get an entry on possible retracements around $35.13, I am definitely going to take that. Currently, we are trading just below a 14-quarter broadening formation I was able to identify. So when you think about 14 quarters, essentially about 2.5 years, that's a major level right there. So, and after earnings, they had very poor guidance. They said they didn't make as much money. But of course, with these things, a lot of times they're just overreactions. People want to get the best price, right? So typically, before something goes up, it's going to go down first. AT&T went crazy for earnings. A lot of PAC members made money off of that. That was definitely dope. So I am looking for with that being said, I am looking for Verizon to potentially rebound off those lows and go higher if institutions seem to kind of see some value in there. So with all that being said, if we can get that 2-2-day to target, we will be back inside that 14-quarter broadening formation. We're currently inside that 4-week. We get back up, we have a lot of room to the upside, tons of position. So position yourself accordingly. This is definitely not financial advice. This is just some education, and that's what we are all about. With all that being said, Verizon is a Bossgang VIP, buy low, sell high, Uno reverse card, approved, stop, play it. Let's go.